Let's tackle this inequality. It might look intimidating, but it actually takes just a few steps to solve. First, we check for restrictions. Since we have a log of x, x must be strictly greater than 0. Also, the denominator, pi to the log of x, must be different from 0, which is always true since an exponential expression is always positive. Now, we can rewrite the fraction using a negative exponent, as shown. We can write one as pi to the power of 0, so our inequality looks like this. Because the base is pi, which is greater than 1, the inequality keeps its direction when we drop the base. So, we get minus log of x is greater than 0. We multiply both sides by minus 1, and we get log of x is less than 0, which is the same as log of x is less than log of 1. This gives us x is less than 1. Combining this with our initial condition, we finally get that x must be between 0 and 1. And that's it.